Hey everyone, welcome back to Bharati. This is episode 2. In this episode, you will learn Python basics, data types and variables. I keep it super simple. By the end of this video, you will know how Python store words and numbers. Think of a variable as the labeled jar. You put something inside and you can read it later. The label is a variable jar. That's it. When I write name is equal to Bharat, I created a jar called name and put the word Bharat inside it. Words can always go in quotes that tell Python, hey, this is text. When I write age is equal to 20, that's a jar with number. No quotes are needed for numbers. When I write height is equal to 5.7, that's a number with decimal point. This type is called float. Think of floats as measurements like 3.14. And if I write each student is equal to true, that's either true or false. This type is called a Boolean. It basically yes or no switch, like a bulb that only can on or off. Whenever I use print, Python simply shows me what's inside each bar, like opening the lid and reading the label. Data types: string is equal to text, integer is equal to whole numbers, float is equal to decimal numbers, and Boolean means true or false. Python automatically figures out the type when you create a variable. You don't need to tell it, but if you want to check, you can use the type function. It tells the what kind of thing inside the jar. Sometimes we need to change a variable type. This is called conversion. str turns a number into text. Int turns a decimal point into whole number. It chops off the decimal part. Float can turn a whole number into decimal version. Here is a common beginner mistake, writing something like print your plus age. This will throw an error because you are mixing text and a number. The fix is easy. Either convert the number into text using str or use an f string. F strings are the modern and clean way of writing. Just put the f before the quotes and inside curly braces your variable name. The input function let us ask the user a question. For example, I can say what is your name? The answer will be stored as text. Then it can greet back hello by following the name. But input always gives us the text, even if the user types a number. So if I ask how old are you, the user types 18, Python still think it as a text. That's why we need to convert into integer. And also I am adding +1. By now you've seen how variables are just labels, how Python automatically know the type, how to convert between types, and how to get user input. These are the building blocks of every program. Use type to check. Use str, int, float to convert. The input always takes in the string format. Convert when you needed the numbers. Quick recap. Variables are the label jars. Data types are the kind of things where we store numbers, decimals, text and booleans. If this video helpful, please hit like, share, subscribe. Comment down when you completed the practice. Next video we will learn if statements and loops. See you in the next one.